Where I'm Mikey and I'm not yet a fucking. Oh, fuck.
What's coming right now? What's coming, Jake? What's going on, Jake? Don't get shy, Jake. Why not? There's trucks that come here all. There it is. Motherfucking EITU.
Oh, be careful, not that one yet. See, nothing falls out.
Welcome to America.
All these drugs are gonna come out.
Oh shit. There it is.
Push down.
You gotta flip that thing over. My fucking van, bro. Oh shit. Look at that. Illegal cars. Brandon putting in some work, baby. Look at that, bro.
They just threw everything on top.
Yeah, pretty much.
Yeah, great.
Damn. What y'all doing? Smoking out or what?
Yeah.
The other car, you bounce down the road.
It's actually not bad in here, huh?
No, pretty comfortable.
Oh shit. Fucking showed up, buddy. Holy fuck. That's the old SEMA boys. He said he could lift it up. Does he want to like back it up straight back? That is crazy. What do you think, Jake? He's putting wood under it. So we're actually gonna go on the incline. What do you mean you don't know? He could actually, he could actually flat out right there.
I think right there, huh? Yeah.
So he's gonna back this up. Ha ha ha!
Watch out.
There's all this shit. Wow, that's pretty close, dude. Keep going. That shit's low as fuck. You. need help pushing it? Straight. Yo, Jake, drive safe, bro.
Come by.
Come by, come by.
Come by.
He's like, fuck Japan.
Firme, fool. It's a little crispy. Oh, fuck.
Oh no!
No, you're not, bitch.
Ah!
I felt scared of it behind us.
She's like, damn, you look like the dog that impregnated me. You just have short hair.
It's gonna work. Start doing my shirt.
Come on, Mr. Miyagi. Oh.
Oh.
You got chest hair? Oh, there he goes. There he goes. All right.
Chest here, no.
So Bo kicked me out of the shop, and he said you cannot stay here to watch the clear. So I am leaving, and this little one is knocked the fuck out. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more, and let's see what the skyline looks like when it's done cleared. Cheers. With the Ralph's muffler, got that shit taken care of. This shit's cool. That's so nice, man.
Oh, sorry.
Oh shit. my god. Huh? Oh yeah, super low, huh? What a crazy day. A lot of random stuff going on. Hope you guys enjoyed the little YouTube film. I'm almost done with this trailer. I gotta finish it this week. They gave me another week to finish it, so gotta get back to work. I did sprain my wrist, but gotta keep it moving. So hope you guys are having a good day. If not, do what you can to have a good day. Go for a walk, buy something, hit someone up from the past, be like, yo, what's up? I don't know, call your mom, call your parents, tell them you love them. Call your kids, call somebody, tell them that you appreciate them. So in the meantime, take care, you guys. Peace.